Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the right gallery app by Google on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. First, let me uninstall this. Alright, so should you want a gallery app, just go to your smartphone and go to Google Play Store, and from Play Store here, using this search bar, just search for gallery. So one of the best gallery apps you can use out there is this Google Gallery app. To see it, just tap on it and make sure it is from Google LLM. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.4 with over 598,000 reviews, and this app has been downloaded over 1 billion times. Currently, this app size is around 11 MBs. If you see these details, now you'll know that you have the right gallery app that will help you see or open your images and videos on your phone. To install it, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of gallery app on your phone and then install it. Once the app has been installed, you can open it from here, or if you go to your apps, now you can see we have a Google Gallery here. Go ahead, tap on it to open and then grant permission to access and continue. And now here you can see I can now access my videos as well as photos or images on my smartphone. So that's how you can install Gallery app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.